5 drops of sodium carbonate into the same one that you've just put the citric acid.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Back to TV!
Hey guys, welcome back to another MEL Science video. Today we are doing Colorful Chemistry.
This looks really cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, so before we start, I want to give a big thank you to MEL Science for sending us this awesome set for free.
Right, so let's get it open then, Oscar.
Yep. Okay.
It says, make water change colour.
Yay!
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm going to do it in a rainbow.
Okay, so take this, please. 2 things that we have to do before we start any science experiment.
We need to pop on our chicken dinner goggles.
Chicken dinner goggles.
And also put on our rubber gloves.
That's right. So here's some safety glasses for you.
Yay!
And some safety glasses for me. And then some gloves for you.
Yep.
Gloves for me. Right, while you're doing that, let's have a look and see what we need to do for this experiment. So what we need to do first is put 1 big spoon of thymol blue into the beaker with some water, mix it up, and then we put some drops of different solutions into some cups.
Yep.
And then we add some of the pH indicator into each of the sample, and then they should change colour. Right, we're all ready. Let me get all of these solutions out. So can you remember what the first step was, Oscar?
Yes, we pour 1 bit of blue something into the beaker.
1 bit of blue something. So thymol blue.
Okie dokie.
This is the stuff that we used. Do you remember the experiment we did with the paper flower?
Ah, yeah, is that the one we used to turn it blue?
That's right, yeah. Because that's a pH indicator, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 1 big spoonful of this into your beaker, please.
Okie dokie. In it goes.
Okie dokie, give it a little tap on the side to make sure all of the blue comes out, that's it. So now we need to add water. It doesn't say where to add water to, but I would add it sort of quite high up, maybe to the top of the line.
Okie dokie.
So here's some water for you.
Thank you.
So pour that in.
Pour it in. Oh, it's all like blue. That looks orange.
Okay, I think that'll do.
Look, it's orange.
Yeah, it's got a kind of like murky, blacky brown colour, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So in the first one, we're going to put some sodium hydrogen sulfate. We're going to put 5 drops of this in there, okay?
3, 4, 5.
5 drops of citric acid.
Okie dokie. So is this one going to be orange?
I think so, yeah.
Okie dokie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
In the next one, you need 5 drops of citric acid, so that's the one you've still got. So you put 5 drops in another one of your cups.
Okie dokie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, and you also need to add 5 drops of sodium carbonate into the same one that you've just put the citric acid.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Okay, perfect. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is baking soda.
Ooh.
Okay, and you're going to put a small spoon of baking soda in.
Okie dokie. So let's get our trusty old spoon.
It's fine. Pop it in. So in the last one, we're going to put sodium carbonate on its own. So 5 drops of that on its own.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, lovely. So that's all of our cups filled. Now what we need to do is add in, put that on the wrong one. We need to add in the thymol blue
Yes.
into each cup, but we need to distribute it evenly. So start with a small amount in each one and then increase it just to make sure you've got enough in each one.
Okie dokie.
Lovely.
Well different colours.
They are, aren't they?
Yep.
So I think the yellow and the orange look quite similar, don't they?
Yeah.
So let's see if we can get a bit closer to show the Splat fans what's happened. So the pH indicator now has indicated the pH level of all of these. So the red one has a pH of 1, so that's why it's gone red, and then the yellow is 2. The orange, that must be the orange one then because it's a bit darker, and then you've got this like browny green colour, and then the blue colour. It looks really cool, doesn't it? There's this really cool bit on the back of this, so it tells you all of the different substances that you would use in normal life and the pH level of them. So like you've got drain cleaner, which is a very high pH value, it's alkaline solution, and then you've got carbonates dissolve in oceanic water, makes its pH a bit higher than 8. So seawater is pH is a bit higher than 8. And then you've got drinking water, which obviously is pH 7, which is neutral pH. And then you've got, did you get a neutral? I suppose 7, the green one would have been sort of a neutral colour, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And then you've got foods with a low pH usually taste sour. So tea, cola, stomach acid and carboxylic acid are really acidic. So what do we think then of that experiment?
It's awesome!
Yeah, which one's been your favourite of all the experiments we've done so far?
I think this one's my favourite.
You like this one?
Thanks for watching our video! Bye!